Hello guys, I'm just gonna quickly show you how to create your Facebook banner in Canva. So you type canva.com. This is my second video, as my last one was very, I don't know why. So you have to obviously log in, it's for free, don't worry guys. And here there's different options. Facebook cover, Instagram, Facebook posts. You can use all this. I have my own already created, but I just wanted to show you from the beginning. You press create a design, custom dimension, and you want to type 600 over 314, and only because when you use the own design, it's bigger than the box for the banner already, so this is nice one. Anyway, you can choose whichever you like, what represents your style. It says whether it's for free here in this corner, and then you can go to uploads and upload image or video from your computer, and you can just drag and drop here this picture or any picture you like. Let's say you want a newborn photo picture. I'm just trying to look for a picture which looks a little bit more to the side of this banner. Anyway, that was nice. Let's say I want a family photographer helping you to draw true moments of your unique family, something like that. Or you can just put newborn photography or wedding photography. Here you can put photography. Obviously that will be Anya Chandra for me. You can expand this a little if you want. Can you not? Let me check. I'm sure you can, I just don't know how. Okay, you can definitely kind of make this smaller, bigger. Here you can, yes, you can move that up and down. I would actually make these letters a little bit smaller. So for example, this size, a little bit smaller. You can also move this. You just have to catch it. You can move this here up a little bit, and here you can, instead of that, for example, your logo can go here. Please don't worry if you don't have logo at all. Logo doesn't really do much in my opinion, but obviously if you have it, you can put it in. So make this smaller. It's gone here for some reason. What am I doing? Let's try again. So drag, shrink it down. Look how easy this is. I don't like to broadcast my logo. I don't think it's the best logo, guys, but I just have it, so I'm putting it in. And that's it, really. Whatever you, obviously you can put some elements. You can create your own by pressing this and then you can actually choose photos from sorry, you can go back. You can choose photos from actual Canva, not your uploads if you don't have any. Or this one maybe not. I would not recommend using Canva's photos, only because obviously you wanted to show your style and you want to show who you are. So I would definitely go for something like kind of the whatever represents you as an artist, and that's it. And then you can change a name here. I will just write, don't forget to write this Facebook banner. I already created one. This is my second video because that one was very blurry, and I'll just download this. Press download. I just put JPEG image and press download. It's preparing for you to sign. Stop that. And here just Facebook banner number, whatever number. Now you're going to your Facebook. Sorry, I was doing something here. You're going to your Facebook group, which we created earlier. Anne-Marie Photography. And this is the one I created earlier, but sorry guys, I'm just gonna change this. Upload photo from your computer, and Facebook banner, it's here in the downloads. Choose and press save, and that's it guys. That's all you have to do. Be creative. I hope that was very helpful. I can't wait to see your creativity, your banners. This is the first thing people see, so remember to choose the best image of the style that you wanted to actually attract people to come to you, and share in the comments, comment on the other colleagues' banners, and I can't wait to see yours. Thank you guys. I hope that was helpful.